Ram. Ram. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's working.
Because I just okay.
No,
Working, yeah?
audio, ma'am.
No audio.
Machine.
It's just video only. No sound.
Okay, okay.
Okay, no sound, no sound. Only the audio. So no, it's a video only, no audio. Okay. So then I can stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am, you can do, ma'am. Stop sharing.
YouTube.
Link only.
Link on the Zoom calendar.
व्हाट्सएप खोल मेरे को आईडी बता व्हाट्सएप
ले दादी का
खोल के आईडी बता
कर लो किया था तो उसमें होता है एरो पे दबा
किधर
साइड में एरो है
हाँ
पुलिस के दबा
इसमें
हाँ दबा दे दबा दे
Live streaming is going on. How come?
ये तो मेरी
See?
आईडी है
कॉपी कर
वो मेरी आईडी है पता नहीं बोल
Stop
नंबर
చేసేనా స్టాప్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి రావాల్సి వస్తుంది
50838
5085
How many participants joined, madam? Only
It's
25?
live.
लाइव स्टार्ट किया
No, with the same previous yesterday ka key only it started.
मैं at the course
I given. Sir, Asadi sir, now 27 only joined. We'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, Naveen Kaura.
Naveen Jain man okay sir
Where I could see.
okay photo will be there ma'am
No, play whether video is going coming. Switch off my camera, dog. It's going live.
You're I'm done. You're on. You're on.
It's recording.
Like you want on or off?
Off.
You don't want your camera right now.
No.
No.
Display something.
That video.
Video or
So I don't know.
video or screen.
Video I'm starting. Yeah.
Any problem with video? Leave it.
Yes. OBS and it's like lagging. Ma'am, your mic is on. You want, I change the backdrop, I change this, or you are starting to speak, huh? Now change. Yeah. Also,
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, madam.
Very good evening, ma'am.
So let us start our day 2. So good evening once again. On behalf of Jain deemed to be University, I welcome you all. Yesterday, we had the privilege of hosting 2 distinguished speakers who shared their valuable insights on the evolution and impact of AR, VR, and the future of immersive technologies. Their sessions provided a comprehensive understanding of how these technologies are reshaping digital experiences and unlocking the new possibilities in various domains. Moving forward, for today's session, we now shift our focus to artificial intelligence and role in enhancing the user experiences in virtual world. Today, we are honored to welcome Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, a renowned academician and researcher in artificial intelligence, data science, and big data analytics, to share his expertise on AI for enhanced user experiences. He is a visiting professor for CRC Care, University of Newcastle, Australia, and has served as head of research and open labs in information technologies. Coming to his achievements and contributions, he authored 8 textbooks, contributed to 27 book chapters, and he holds 4 patents. To his credit, he secured DST sub research grants worth of 10 lakhs. He has published over 196 papers, out of which 24 are in Scopus Index journals and 40 are in Scopus and Web of Science, with the remaining UGC listed and in international journals and conferences. He has attended over 195 workshops, symposiums, and seminars, and has conducted and acted as a research person for more than 125 international national conferences, workshops, symposiums, and seminars. Dr. Asadi is a recipient of prestigious awards like Bharat Vidya Rathan from International Business Council, Delhi in the year 2018, and he achieved a Best IT Teacher of the Year 2020, and he has a Lifetime Achievement Excellence Award in the year 2022, and he received an Outstanding Teacher Award in the year 2022. With 22 years of teaching and industry experience, Dr. Asadi has mentored 3 PhD scholars and 5 are ongoing. He held various leadership roles like Head of the Department, Board of Studies member, TechIP 2 coordinator, IIIC, NPTEL, and AICTE SIP coordinator. He is an editorial board member and reviewer for Springer, IEEE, Elsevier, Hindawi, and InterScience journals. He mentored students in IBM, TGMC, Microsoft, NPTEL Swayam, AICTE Internshala. He holds IBM, Microsoft, NPTEL, and multiple international certifications. He is a member of IEEE, ACM, CSI, ISTE, IAENG, and several other professional organizations. He has a significant academic collaborations in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Australia, Ghana, Kenya, Dubai, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Liberia. We are truly privileged to have Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu with us today, and we look forward to his valuable insights and expertise in this session. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for nice introduction.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
sharing
Please.
my screen. Please, yeah. My screen is visible, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, once again, a warm welcome to Atal and AICT Online 6-Day Faculty Development Program. And today, my session on artificial intelligence for enhanced user experiences in virtual world. First, let me justify the title. They have chosen a fantastic FDP title. From there, they have given me the title Artificial Intelligence, How It is Playing a Vital Role in Order to Solve Real-Time Applications in Virtual World. How a user getting more experience, responsive, interactive, and we can see the audio, video, and animation applications. What is meant by virtual world? Virtual world is nothing but computer generated simulations. Users can interact each other and the environment through avatars, especially in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation applications. We are solving with the help of AI, VR, and AR, MR, machine and deep learning techniques we are using, and we are solving the various applications. Today, I'm going to demonstrate very interesting applications.
Asadi,
So
sir,
once,
sorry to interrupt.
yes, madam.
You are not fully visible, sir. Can you please adjust your camera accordingly?
Now, madam, is okay?
Move it down, camera.
Camera down, sir. Only your head part only we can see. Yes, sir. Yeah. Good to go.
Yeah.
Good
Thank
to
you,
go, sir.
madam.
Please, sir.
Yeah.
Proceed.
So, madam already introduced my background and my qualifications where I have done Indian Institute of Information Technology. And these are my interests: artificial intelligence and machine and deep learning, data science, cyber security, health data analytics. Right now, I am pursuing my research on groundwater data analytics, soil data analytics, PFAS data analytics I'm using. And these are my publications, madam already listed. These are the URLs, can go through it. And I'm a corporate trainer on data science applications using AI, ML, and DL techniques. And I'm giving a corporate training for US PhD and MS students on generative AI applications using ML and DL techniques. This is the complete syllabus of generative AI syllabus. There are 13 core concepts and followed by the 4 major projects. And I'm a corporate trainer for cyber security applications using ML and DL techniques. All these videos are available in my YouTube channel. So far, I have created 350 videos available in my channel. I have given more than 175 international and seminars, webinars. All those videos I kept in one folder in repository. If you want, you can type my name on YouTube so that you will get numerous videos on these technologies. And data science training, anyhow, I am giving. So before going to our topic, we are handling with unstructured data. Unstructured data in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of application, where the data is coming from, how many systems are required to store huge volume of data. That's why traditional systems are unable to store huge volume of data. We are going to store this huge volume of data with the help of a cloud computing environment. Cloud computing is an internet-based technology. The backbone for cloud computing is a data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but the integration of high computing servers at one place is called a data center. Virtualization is nothing but the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, Virtual Iron, etc. Each company having their own data center. So where we are getting a huge volume of data from social networks. If you see 2.4 million Google searches in within 60 seconds, keep in mind, and 11,035 fake accounts removed in Facebook within 60 seconds. And you can see 3,47,222 tweets within 60 seconds in Twitter. Same way, so many statistics I have displayed on various platforms, various domains, and social networks. So, if you want to see the statistics, you can use this URL, check the worldwide statistics, where we are getting huge volume of data. From which countries we are getting the huge volume of data. Can you see my screen, my dear friends? Can anyone acknowledge me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Yeah. So the current world population, see here, can you read, can anyone read this number? It's a huge number, see?
8203892316.
Oh, so we can't even read in terms of measurements of mathematics, such a huge volume of data. See, birth date and death's date and population growth today. So which country is leading now? India is leading. See, 145 crores, China 141 crores, and so on. These are the various statistics you can see where we are getting unstructured data. Audio, video, text, graphics, animation, kinds of data we are getting. So volume is variety is one of the dimension in data science and big data. It's a challenge. How many servers are required to store huge volume of data? Number of users are increasing automatically. The size of the data center also increases. Why I am explaining? We are getting huge volume of data from various data centers, various domains we are getting. After that, we are processing that data and we are generating interesting analytics. And through AI, and we are enhancing user experiences in this virtual world. In virtual world, we are implementing applications like computer generated simulations, Users can interact each other and the environment through avatars we are creating in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation. This is the statistics of the worldwide internet users. Within 60 seconds, these many number of users are connected and the total number of websites opened and emails sent today. See, within 60 seconds, can you imagine this number? Say huge numbers. Google searches today, blog posts written today. If you click this URL, again it redirecting to the number of statistics. So check the worldwide statistics where we are getting huge volume of unstructured data. Same thing I have incorporated in this slide. The number of users are increasing automatically. The size of the data center also increases. Each MNC having their own data center. So now, how do we store a huge volume of data in computer servers and data center? And how do we measure the huge volume of data in terms of bits, bytes, and kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes, brontobyte. Yesterday, again, I searched, is there any terminology measurement is presented for the storing of huge volume of data? Yes, there are two more terminology. 1024 brontobyte is 1 geobyte. 1024 geobyte is infinity. So same way we are representing same measurement in terms of mathematical, like kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the huge volume of data in system, server, and data center. This is the syllabus of data science. I don't want to explain these things. And these are the core subjects. These are the top 10 widely used standard libraries in order to implement real-time applications. And this is the core syllabus of data science artificial. This is the artificial intelligence syllabus. There are 50 concepts are there. So if you are thorough in 50 concepts, we can implement the future generative AI applications in real world by using AI and virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality with the help of statistical, machine, and deep learning techniques. We are developing applications. These are the generative AI top 10 topics. The number one is generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders, and followed by the so many techniques. And this is the syllabus of even artificial intelligence under data science. We have implemented in my research laboratory so far 153 projects with a combination of MTech and PhD students. And these are the latest topics we are pursuing right now. And prediction and detection of soil properties using machine and deep learning techniques. So, very interesting question, my dear participants. There are 173 participants. I'm asking the very interesting question. And the question is, when is our death date? Sir, what is this stupid question, sir? Are you asking? Yes. See, now we are living in this terabytes and petabytes of zettabytes of era, and we are developing so many real-time applications. The research is ongoing on this. How do we can find approximate, at least approximate death date for a human being? In order to solve this very critical question, death date, there is a model. Do you have any idea about this question? My dear participants, can you interact with me? No problem. It is an interactive session.
No, sir.
So, okay, thank you. So, if I'm asking death date, immediately you are saying, yes, sir, 15 July, you are saying my birth date. Okay. So, for this question, there is a solution. By using various models, we have seen statistical models, machine and deep learning models, okay, and various generative AI models we are using. There is a solution for this question, there is a model called life to vector. Very interesting. Life to vector is a deep learning model and AI model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. It uses machine and deep learning and natural language processing techniques to generate vector representation and about contextually rich information we are getting and various aspects of life, and we are solving AI model that is life to vector. It takes input as biological data, lifestyle factors, environmental influences, and our height, weight, the diet, exercise. These are all our parameters, input parameters for the system to predict an individual's potential life. Now, if you see, this is the input data I'm giving, and we are getting the approximate data for death date. See, write a Python program to perform potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, etc. And I'm importing all the libraries according to live to vector, a defined function to predict the lifespan based on input data. And we are performing a placeholder for prediction logic, then random lifespan prediction. So we are taking input data, then predicting lifespan by using various libraries in Python and including with the machine and deep learning techniques. We are integrating like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Theano, and scikit-learn, various libraries we are incorporating with real world frameworks like VGG16, RESTnet, GoogleNet, CNN, RNN, LSTM, various techniques we are integrating, and we are finding the actual lifespan. I have given my own input parameters, and the actual lifespan and predicted lifespan it's shown. Okay, so now I am executing this program. Okay, so just to open one second. So my screen is visible, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir,
Madam?
visible. Sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. So Notepad, see, Python is very simple. No need to worry about Python. If you are strong in basic mathematics, you can perform all Python applications irrespective of the domain. So once you install Python, then you can check like this, which version we are using. We are using the 3.13.1. Okay. So now Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is a scripting way. Now I'm going to demonstrate my application in a scripting way. So my file name is a notepad space lifespan. So this is the file name. Write a Python program to develop, okay, to demonstrate how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, and genetic information, etc. We are importing required libraries, and we are defining function to predict the values and input data, predict lifespan, plot the prediction, and this is the program, and I'm going to demonstrate Python lifespan. See. So based on input parameters, it is predicting. My predicted lifespan is 76 years. This is the graph. My screen is visible, my dear friends. Can anyone acknowledge
Yes,
me?
sir, yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
So based on my input data parameters, I got the lifespan is 76 years. See, very interesting question. So same way, we are performing one second. Like that, very interesting questions today we are demonstrating. Okay. We will see and various applications today. Okay, one second. So one more application, one more same thing. Write a Python program is predict individuals' potential lifespan based on various input factors. And here I have choose one more Python library called sklearn, scikit-learn. So this program I'm going to demonstrate here. I'm clearing the screen, then notepad space, lifespan. So this is the program, and I have declared a sklearn library, and I have used random forest classification algorithm, and so generating synthetic data means simulated data. We are creating our own data. Then I have tested and training the model, testing the model, making predictions, and evaluating the model performance, and finally we are displaying. So here Python space lifespan. See, this is also one more interesting program by using other frameworks like sklearn, scikit-learn integrations we have used, and now it is it is going to execute right now. See, so now we have calculated all the mean absolute error by using random forest algorithm. It is based on the decision tree, and we have applied in x-axis feature importance, and in y-axis we have taken metric risk score, consumption, smoking history, hours per week, body mass index, age, so many parameters. If you increase number of constraints, automatically we are increasing the accuracy. So this is a feature importance in lifespan prediction. This is one more important program we have demonstrated. So now moving to our today's concept. This is my channel, my dear friends. If you have mobile or laptop, just type my name in YouTube, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You will find 350 videos are available on different technologies. Just subscribe and write your own comment whenever you are free. Okay, so welcome to today's so far introduction part I have covered. The today's agenda is there are 6 concepts I'm going to demonstrate with the practical session. If you are having any doubts, please let me post or you can ask directly. You can post your query in the chat box so that I can demonstrate. I can explain. So here, introduction to virtual world and AI. So today's content, so virtual world is nothing but it is a computer generated simulations. User can interact with each other and the environment through avatars we are creating in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation kinds of applications. And today I'm going to define and demonstrate artificial intelligence and virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality and metaverse. And what is the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing user experiences in the case of virtual reality and augmented reality. Then what is AI powered enhancements in virtual world? And we are developing various applications like non-player characters and AI-based interactions and procedural content generation PCG for dynamic environments, AI for real-time personalization and adaptive gameplay, and then followed by the natural language processing is nothing but study of different languages, study of linguistics, and we are solving the applications like AI chatbot, AI-based chatbots, Alexa, Siri, kinds of conversational agents we are developing with the help of AI, ML, and DL techniques with the help of augmented and virtual reality, mixed reality technologies we are integrating. And voice and gesture recognition for immersive interactions. If we are integrating VR and AR and MR, it becomes, and we are getting so much real world and but virtual reality is entirely different from the real world. And augmented reality, the user get experience we are enhancing the user perceptions in the real world. So that is augmented reality. It is also computer generated simulations. Okay, so we are generating various audio, video, text-based applications. Then computer vision and emotion recognition in virtual world. So the combination of audio, video, face recognition, gesture recognition combinations we are solving under machine vision processing. That is called computer vision. There we are solving emotion recognition with in virtual world by using facial expression and emotion detection for avatars using AI, ML, and DL techniques in the technologies. Leveraging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, we are using AI for gesture tracking and eye tracking applications, and deep learning for behavior prediction and adaptation. This is the for solving complex applications, we are using deep learning from the observations with the n number of input and hidden layers and activation function, dropout and fine tuning parameters we are using by utilizing CNN, RNN, LSTM, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Theano, sklearn. These are the frameworks we are integrating with the VGG16, GoogleNet, RESTnet, etc. And we are developing AI-driven player behavior analysis, adaptive AI for real-time difficulty adjustments we are solving. And so that is the 5 concepts that today I am going to demonstrate. Be patient. If you are not understanding any term, any jargon of this AI user experience, I mean enhance the user experience in a virtual world. So AI powered virtual worlds is nothing but computer generated simulations. User can interact with each other and the environment through avatars, like we are creating dynamic applications, and it must be a responsive application and immersive virtual reality, digital environments, that is augmented reality with realistic interactions and adaptive experiences. We are solving audio, video, text, graphics, animation kinds of applications. Then just now I have explained what is meant by virtual world. We are generating computer generated environments, computer generated simulations where users can interact each other, and they can explore themselves and engage with the digital content in immersive and simulated settings. That is called virtual world. My dear friends, try to understand. Then why AI playing vital role in order to solve virtual world applications? So AI is nothing but science and engineering to develop intelligent based kind of applications by applying statistical, machine and deep learning techniques and intelligence in machines, enabling them to learn, reason and make decisions. That's why artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. Okay, to solve complex applications. Recently, we have a humanoid robot, Sophia, took the citizenship of Saudi Arabia, and it can do many tasks such as cleaning the house, cooking the food, so many activities like humanoid robot. It is a humanoid robot and solving whatever humans are solving same problems repetitively tasks it is performing. Then what is virtual reality? How it is playing in order to solve virtual world applications? Virtual reality is nothing but it is a computer generated, simulated, and a digital environment that immerses. It is differently from real world, and the users can interactive, and we are developing three-dimensional experience using specialized hardware like headsets and the controllers. That is called virtual reality, and it is playing a vital role in order to develop user experiences in the virtual world by applying AI enhanced experience. Then augmented reality is a technology which solves the scientific applications that overlays digital content onto the real world and physically and enhancing user experiences and perseverance observations and interactive through immersive elements in the virtual reality. That is called augmented reality. It enhances user experience of reality. That is called augmented reality. Now, I'm moving to next generation virtual worlds because we are leveraging artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality with integration of statistical machine and deep learning techniques we are using to develop all virtual world real-time applications. That's why the next generation virtual world leverages various emerging technologies like Internet of Things, blockchain technology, AI, VR, MR, and AR to create hyper realistic applications and audio, video, text-based image, animation, intelligent kind of applications, and immersive digital environments for interactive experience. Then why this AI for today's topic, artificial intelligence for enhanced user experiences in virtual world, because we are integrating machine and deep learning techniques. What are the machine learning techniques we are integrating? We are solving a classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, regression, and a recommender engine with the combination of three approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning approaches. With the combination of the extension of machine learning, we are using deep learning, learning from the observational data with a deep manner by increasing various input and hidden layers. Okay, and by using a CNN, RNN, LSTM, and a combination of VGG16, ResNet, GoogleNet, various frameworks with integration of Python frameworks like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Theano, Pillow, Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, etc. In order to solve computer vision and natural language processing applications. Computer vision is nothing but a combination of audio, video, text, graphics, animation, and natural language processing is nothing but study of different languages or study of different linguistics, conversion of one audio to another type of audio, video to conversion of another video, two-dimensional to three-dimensional, and natural language processing solves all the human-related real-time applications to create immersive applications by applying virtual technology, virtual reality, interactive and responsive and personalized virtual environments we are solving, like audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of applications. Artificial intelligence is at the core of creating immersive experiences in the metaverse. What is meant by metaverse? It is an interconnected network which leverages AI, VR, AR, MR with a combination of various Internet of Things, blockchain technologies connected in this metaverse. Through AI-driven algorithms like A-star algorithm, shortest path algorithm, classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine, and prediction detection algorithms in virtual environments, it becomes more responsive, dynamic, and lifelike applications we are solving. That's why artificial intelligence playing a vital role. It enables interactive storytelling, allowing users to influence the narrative and participate actively in the virtual world. And see, if you see this diagram, so that you will get idea how we are implementing, we are detecting and predicting user immersion levels in virtual reality environment, and we are solving audio, video, and animation applications. And it analyzes physiological responses like eye tracking and user interactions to measure engagement and presence. We are taking in terms of virtual reality like user experiences data in virtual reality environments, computer generated simulations, and enhancing user experience with the real world elements. And then we are passing to the data distribution features. Descriptive analysis we are performing with the help of statistical techniques. Then we are proposing features fusion with combination, and we are splitting the data, maybe audio data, video data, face recognition data, facial expression data. We are splitting. Then training purpose we are using 80% and testing purpose we are using 20%. Then we are choosing the model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. That model may be a AI model, statistical model, machine learning model, deep learning model. We are choosing the model and we are writing the code, we are implementing, we are executing, and finally we are deploying. Our model is correctly predicting the values or not. Then we are checking the performance evaluation like accuracy, time complexity, epochs, and loss, F1 score, AUC, ROC, so many more performance evaluations in terms of validation metrics. And finally, we are getting a good user immersion level like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Finally, it is detecting with a very good user immersion level detected with help of virtual reality. So this is the architecture of virtual reality environment for detecting user immersion levels by combination of virtual and augmented reality. So this is the diagram shows that pie chart. This artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented mixed reality, which domain participates major role in order to solve artificial intelligence powered metaverse in this interconnected network to for analysis challenge and future perspective, and which domain plays a vital role. If you see engineering, electrical and electronic playing 21 percentage of occupation of this technologies they are utilizing. Then comes to the computer science, artificial intelligence, computer science, information systems 15%, then cybernetics 8%, then followed by the computers multidisciplinary applications, computer science therapy method 7%, and so on. Then if you see, um, yeah, there are top 10 applications today. I'm going to demonstrate minimum 6 applications now. If you see the major applications of this virtual world by leveraging of AI, VR, AR, MR, mixed reality with a combination of 50% of virtual reality, 50% of augmented reality. We are using MR, and we are solving a gaming and entertainment application especially. So, so it provides immersive gaming experiences with a realistic environment and interactive storytelling and adaptive gameplay. Especially, this is the number one application in this FDP. Today, I am going to demonstrate. Then, education and training, we are using virtual reality and AR enabling interactive learning experiences, and we are using so many learning AI tools like Moodle Cloud we are using for student performance finding. And these two technologies are interactive learning experiences such as virtual labs we are creating, medical training, simulations, and skill-based learning modules we are solving. Then healthcare and therapy, we are solving various applications like medical training, pain management, cognitive therapy, and rehabilitation programs we are conducting. And next, fourth application is if you see remote collaboration and virtual workspaces, especially we are conducting, we have been habituated during COVID time. Everybody interacting with the remote meetings we are conducting, virtual offices, virtual laboratories, and collaborative design environments. We are enhancing communication and productivity. And then next application, retail and e-commerce application, especially Amazon and Flipkart. Why they are increasing their business? They are capturing humans' behavior, and they are performing sentiment analysis, behavioral analysis. Today, just to check iPhone 16 Max Pro in your mobile, tomorrow automatically it is asking, there is one more mobile is available. Would you like to purchase it? So why it is asking? Because of recommender engine. They have applied on behavioral analytics. They have captured the data and performing applications like e-commerce applications. So it shows the interactive product displays and personalized recommendations powered by AI. Then smart cities and urban planning also, we are using this AI, VR, augmented reality, virtual reality for simulation of infrastructure and traffic management and urban development for better planning and decision making. Then seventh application, if you see, tourism and cultural heritage, why this virtual reality shows allows user to explore historical sites. And nowadays we are easily finding which historical sites are more attractive, museums and travel destination through immersive experiences with help of AR, MR and VR with combination of AI technologies. Like then we are using military and defense applications. There we are using battlefield application simulations, soldier training, and crisis response planning, etc. Then social media metaverse, we are using AI, virtual reality, and augmented reality. Both technologies are interactive virtual social spaces where users can create avatars. See, we are giving so many emojis in WhatsApp itself, in Facebook, in YouTube. For Reels, you are giving a love symbol. So many avatars engage in social events and communicate in immersive settings. Such type of applications we are developing with the help of AR, VR, and MR technologies with the combination of AI, machine, and deep learning techniques. Only it is possible. Industrial and manufacturing training applications like uh, risk-free environment, improving efficiency and safety in industries like aviation, automotive, and construction. Then I am moving to first application. Today I am going to demonstrate write a Python program to visualize the usage distribution of virtual world with leveraging of AI and artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality and mixed reality for different domains using a, bar chart I'm using to develop such sort of application. I'm importing the required libraries, then I'm creating a sample data set. Now I'm going to demonstrate this application. Please see here. My screen is visible, sir. Please, can anyone acknowledge my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
So the first application, write a Python program to visualize the usage distribution of virtual world with the combination. So same application, I'm declaring required libraries. I'm creating sample data set, creating a data frame. Because of time, I'm moving fast because I want to demonstrate 6 applications. Then plotting bar chart. Then we are displaying in X label usage percentage and Y label we are showing application areas and in the title bar we are showing applications of virtual world with the combination of virtual world technologies like AI, VR, MR and AR technologies. Now I am going to demonstrate this application. Python space Jane, first application. So this is the first application I'm demonstrating. I have created synthetic data and I have applied AI, VR and AR technology. See here, my screen is visible, my dear friends.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, usage percentage 0 to 35 we have taken and x-axis we have taken usage percentage of different applications we have shown and the demo. We have explained 10 applications like gaming application, occupied 35%, education, healthcare, real estate, manufacturing, retail, tourism, military, automotive, entertainment. So now I am moving to next application. Before going to next application, let me explain theoretical part of the first concept, first application like see, So introduction to virtual world and AI. So why these virtual worlds are immersive digital environments where AI plays a crucial role for enhancing realistic and interaction, responsive and user engagement with combination of virtual reality, augmented reality and mixed reality and metaverse. So what is meant by virtual reality? Very simple words. It is a fully immersive experiences. It is entirely different from the real world. Then what is meant by augmented reality? It overlays digital content on the real world. That means user getting experience, I mean user enhancing his experience or observation in the real world. So then what is meant by metaverse in an interconnected network and a digital universe with a combination of virtual reality, augmented reality and artificial intelligence driven interactions. Then what is the role of AI in enhancing user experiences? AI improves virtual world by enabling intelligent NPCs, that is nothing but non-player characters and real-time personalization, and we are leveraging virtual reality concepts, and we are leveraging to augmented reality and mixed reality, and we are adapting environments and natural language interactions like humans, how we are interacting each other and for seamless and immersive experiences. Now, beyond imagination, we are solving with the help of generative AI. We are reshaping the virtual world. My dear friends, virtual world is nothing but it is a computer interact with each other and the environment through avatars, digital avatars we are creating. And what is meant by, what is the difference between generative AI and AI? AI is nothing but science and engineering to develop intelligent based kind of applications, whereas generative AI is nothing but we are creating new, something new, innovative, which is not seen in the before, which is not existed with with the combination of generative adversarial networks, variational auto encoders with the combination of machine and deep learning techniques. We are developing innovative, something new which is not seen in before. Such type of applications in terms of audio, video, text, graphics, animation, kinds of application we are developing with the help of generative AI. Keep in mind, and we are reshaping the virtual world and this AI to create immersive, responsive, interactive and adaptive experiences for different users in this different world. And second program, write a Python program to perform, okay, to analyze and visualize impact of artificial intelligence driven features on user engagement in virtual reality, augmented reality and the metaverse using sample dataset by using bar chart analysis. Okay, required libraries I'm importing and then sample data set I have created. I have dimensions like attributes, technology, sample data set starts with the serial number, one dimension, technology like virtual reality, mixed reality, augmented reality, metaverse. Then AI features like AI chatbot, Alexa, Siri, and gesture tracking, emotion recognition, and these are the records and the user engagement within 70 to 95% we are taking, and the user satisfaction we are taking 4 to 5 the rating levels. Now I am going to demonstrate this application, very interesting application. See how these technologies show in terms of bar chart. So my second program, Notepad space, Jain 1, Jain University 1, I have kept like that. Write a Python program. See here, write a Python program to analyze and visualize the impact of AI-driven features on user engagement in virtual reality, augmented reality, and the metaverse using a sample data set. I have see, because of time, I'm moving sample data set I have created, convert a dictionary to data frame, then display the data set, plotting user engagement levels, and now I'm demonstrating Python space chain 1. So now see, I'm getting the output all the statistics I'm generating like mean, median, minimum, and maximum, standard deviation, variance, and count, sum, and summary statistics we have generated like count, mean, and standard deviation, and etc. So same application in my see some message I got. Maybe Sunita madam. No, somebody. So how much time is there? So that according to that one, I will plan it. Madam? Hello? See, I'm executing my program in Google Colab because in my command prompt, it is not generating graph. And I'm generate. Hello, my dear friends. Can anyone acknowledge me?
Sir, half an
Yes,
hour
sir. Yes,
time
sir.
is there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, time is there. Okay, no
Yes, sir,
problem.
it is.
Half an hour is more than enough to complete my remaining 4 applications. Write a Python program is to analyze. My screen is visible, sir, right now, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the program I have written. Sample data set, a synthetic data set I have created. Convert the dictionary to data frame. Display the data set and I'm running this program. See here, Google Collaboratory, please, all of you, no need to about deprecation problem, and don't worry about old Python softwares. You can use Google Collaborator so that Google company providing very good environment and high computing data center they are using. We can execute a very big large data set within fraction of seconds. See now, I got the output of this application, artificial intelligence in virtual world. This is the data set and this is the graph we have generated here. See, my application user engagement levels in virtual world with AI features, and the legend shows the green emotion recognition, gesture tracking, AI chatbot, Alexa, Siri, so many chatbots we are generating, and VR technology. In x-axis we are taking VR, AR, and metaverse, and user engagement score we are getting 0 to 80. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Output?
Very much, sir. Very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, I'm moving to next application, AI-powered enhancement in a virtual world by using this non-player characters and AI-based interactions. What sort of applications we are developing, and with the help of AI-driven NPCs, enables lifelike behavior and decision making, dynamic conversations, creating more engaging and immersive virtual environments. This AI, artificial intelligence, enhances this virtual world real-time applications by improving realistic, interactive, responsive, and user immersion through virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and through intelligent automation and adaptive technologies we are utilizing. So how, my dear friends, the very important question now, how virtual reality and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the entertainment industry? You might have seen so many movies, even uh, in English movies, how they have applied augmented reality, virtual reality, graphics, animation kinds of applications. How this virtual reality immerses various computer generated simulations. It is entirely different from the real world, and this artificial intelligence creating science and applications to develop intelligent kind base of applications. The extension of AI, we are using generative AI That's why it is revolutionizing entertainment, especially we are improving the realistic and interactivity and adaptive, and we are getting so much user experiences with the help of virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality applications. Then we are developing procedural content generation, that is PCG, for dynamic environments and especially game applications. If you play gaming, very interesting games are available in even phone, in even in computer you can play, and we are solving real time, ensuring unique and evolving with help of PCGs and AI for real-time personalization and adaptive gameplay application, especially AI tailors game difficulty, storytelling, progression, user interaction based on player behavior, preferences, and real-time emotional feedback. Everything we are developing. Then that application, how I'm going to generate now, write a Python program to analyze and visualizes the impact of AI-powered enhancements with the combination of NPC AI interactions, procedural content generations, that is PCG, and adaptive gameplay. How we are utilizing AI, augmented, virtual, and mixed reality on user satisfaction while playing games in virtual world using data analysis and through bar chart. I'm going to demonstrate right now. Required libraries I'm importing. I'm creating the data with features like with the dimensions like NPC AI interaction, procedural content, adaptive gameplay. Then AI level, like basic level, you are playing games like basic level game, intermediate game, advanced game, etc. And user satisfaction 3 to 5 and engagement score 60 to 90. We are demonstrating next application here. In x-axis, we have NPC AI interactions, procedural content, adaptive gameplay, user satisfaction score. We have lessened. You can see advanced and intermediate, etc. This is one more application. See here, notepad space, chain, two or third application. See, this is the application NPC and PCG. Yes. So now I am demonstrating this application. Required libraries have imported and sample data set with 4 features like feature that includes 3 types: NPC AI interaction, NPC AI, procedural content, and adaptive gameplay. AI level like a game. Suppose you are basic level game, intermediate, and advanced. And then user satisfaction, engagement score, convert a dictionary to data frame, display data set, plotting different types of AI features versus user satisfaction. And X label we are taking AI feature, Y label we are using user satisfaction score, and we are displaying a title AI levels. So Python space J2. This is a second a third application. It is displays all the statistics of data set by using pandas library. Then same program I'm using, and I'm executing in you can call it as Google Collaborator. Now see, now that program I'm here, program to write a Python program to analyze and visualize the impact of AI powered enhancements, that is NPC AI interactions, procedural content generation, etc. Now I'm running this program with data set dimensions like feature, AI level, user satisfaction, engagement score. And see, this is the statistics I have got it. This is the data set and this is the output. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir, very much, sir.
Yeah, impact of AI enhancements on user satisfaction in virtual world. In x-axis, we are getting NPC AI interaction, procedural content, and adaptive gameplay, user satisfaction score. The legend shows that basic level, intermediate level, and advanced level. Next, we are moving to next concept. Um, third concept, natural language processing and AI-driven communication. What is meant by natural language processing? Study of different languages and study of linguistics. It enables AI, artificial intelligence, to understand, interpret the language, understand the language, and respond to the human language. We are facilitating natural and meaningful interactions in this virtual world by combination of AI-based chatbots and conversational agents. We are developing application now. AI-driven chatbots like Alexa, Siri, it simulates human-like conversation, providing real-time assistance, storytelling, and engagement in virtual environment. That's why we are using so many voice-based chatbots like Alexa, Siri, voice and gesture recognition for immersive integrations, interactions, with the help of AI, VR, AR, MR, and advanced uh, machine and deep learning techniques, it is possible to develop various applications. So, natural language processing is nothing but it is a branch in artificial intelligence. This focuses on the interaction between computer and human language, and maybe audio, video, text, graphics, animation, any kind. There are 7 steps usually we are following. The second step is understanding the basics, applications of NLP, techniques in NLP, top tips for an effective NLP, case studies and conclusion. So with the help of NLP and enables AI to understand interactive and generate human language for seamless communication applications we are developing. That's why understanding of artificial intelligence with the combination natural language processing, we have very good 6 steps we are following to solve AI communication applications. It involves and explores how machines are interacting with humans, and we are interpreting the data, we are processing the data and respond to the human language and interactions. Then we are going for the role of natural language processing in enhancing AI communication, uh, to develop applications of voice recognition, face recognition, and chatbots applications, etc. Now I am going to demonstrate a very interesting application like write a Python program to analyze and visualize user interactions in a virtual environment using NLP, voice commands, and gesture recognition through word clouds, and through bar chart we can understand a pie chart very easily. Required libraries we are importing like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pandas, NumPy. See, importing natural language toolkit, and we are using sklearn library. Directly we are using the we convert vector, and we are using the import counter, etc. Now I am demonstrating this NLP application. See here, I'm clearing the screen, notepad space, Jane 3. Fourth application here. So this is the program. This is the program, write a Python program to analyze and visualize user interactions in a virtual environment using NLP. Now required libraries, then a sample data set I have created with the dimensions like user, chatbot responses. See, very interesting. Users are 5 users I have created. Chatbot response like, hello, how can I assist you today? If you open any website, immediately right side, it is displaying a chatbot like Alexa, Siri. They are speaking like, hello, how can I assist you today? Your virtual assistant is here to help. Tell me your query and I will try to answer. I can help with information, guidance, and interaction. Let's explore the virtual world together. Then voice commands like turn left, jump, open inventory, run, stop, gesture recognition. We are using wave, point, thumbs up, nod, shake head, etc. Then we are converting into data frame, generate a word frequency plot for chatbot responses, create a word cloud, then plot the word cloud, generate a bar chart for voice command frequencies, generate a pie chart for gesture recognition, and bar chart X label voice commands, Y label frequency, and the frequency of voice commands in virtual interaction. Now I am going to demonstrate this program in this. See, I'm closing. In Google Collaborator, I'm executing. See, same program, write a Python program to visualize user interactions in a virtual environment using natural language processing, NLP, through voice commands. We are generating very interesting application. See, now this is called, can anyone, what is this the technical name of this image I have generated? Can anyone answer of this output? What is
Word
the
cloud.
word called?
Word cloud.
Fantastic answer. Fantastic answer. Who is that, madam?
Sir, I'm Lakshmi from Reva University, sir.
Fantastic answer. Keep it up, madam. You have given a wonderful answer. It is a word cloud which integrates n number of jargon of virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, mixed reality. Everything I have incorporated in this image. That's why it is a word cloud. Then we have generated a natural language processing application, frequency of voice commands in virtual interactions. In x-axis, I have taken voice commands like turn left, jump, open inventory, run, stop. In y-axis, I have taken frequency. Then if you see the bar chart, see gesture recognition distribution in virtual world. So by gesture 20% and shake head, thumbs up, point, nod. So this is the natural language processing application. Because of time, I'm moving to next application. So next concept is computer vision and emotion recognition in virtual world. My dear friends, what is meant by computer vision? So with the combination of audio, video, text, graphics, animation, we are developing and users are interacting with the computers and develop various audio, video based voice recognition, so many applications, emotion recognition and gesture recognition. And we are solving a facial expression, emotion detection for avatars. And those mirror like emotions in avatars, making virtual interactions more engagement and lifelike, and gesture tracking, eye tracking applications for intuitive control, natural communication, and immersive experiences in virtual reality. So, see, now I'm demonstrating very interesting applications. Computer vision and emotion recognition in virtual world. It enables artificial intelligence and analyzing facial expression. And we are using various machine and deep learning techniques with a combination of virtual reality and augmented reality. How we can find various gestures for immersive and interactive experience, etc. Very interesting application. Write a Python program to analyze and visualize facial expressions, eye tracking focus areas, and gesture recognition in virtual environments using computer vision and data visualization techniques. For this, what I am doing, I am importing computer vision library in Python, CV2, computer vision, and libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and counter I am using. I'm creating a simple data set, and then I have generated application. 1 second. So how much time is there, madam? Notepad space. Madam, sir, how much time is there so that I can plan? So this application.
15 minutes are there, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Till
Sorry.
7:30 you can, sir, please.
Yeah. So now, madam, you have given 10 minutes late, madam. I want to utilize the 10 minutes. Okay. So before starting, I got 10 minutes late actually. So I'm running this application by using facial expressions and eye tracking focus areas I have declared the required libraries and data set I have created with the 4 dimensions like users. Number of users are 7 users I have created. Facial expression like happy and neutral, sad, angry, surprised. Eye tracking focus area like center, left, right, center, gesture, wave, point, thumbs up, nods, shake, head, wave. So then generate bar chart and facial expression, then generate pie chart for gesture recognition. See here, this is my output. In x-axis, I got a happy, neutral, sad, angry, surprised, in y-axis frequency. Now I am moving to the last application, deep learning for behavior prediction and adaptation. Deep learning is nothing but extension of machine learning. See, machine learning extension is deep learning, learning from the observations with deep manner by increasing number of input and hidden layers with the combination of fine-tuning parameters, dropout function, and activation functions. And we are analyzing and predicting behavior in virtual world, enabling AI to adapt and enhance user interactions dynamically. Here we are solving the applications behavioral analysis, very interesting application, and we are developing real-time applications, players playing adaptive, sentiment analysis and behavioral analysis applications by using deep learning applications. See here, by using deep learning, there is a Twitter data set I am collecting from the Twitter API. Then we are tweets related to general election. Then we are doing pre-processing for eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, redundant data experience. Deep learning framework we are using. Here we are choosing CNN, RNN, LSTM models with combination Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, sklearn, Theano, Pillow, Matplotlib, Pandas. Then finally, user behavior prediction. That's why we are predicting and detecting behavioral analysis by enhancing personalization, interactivity in virtual environment by using AI, AR, VR, MR technologies by using neural networks to analyze patterns. That means models, interested analytics, intelligent data we are finding in data, anticipating future actions, and dynamically adjust responses for improved decision making. So next, this is write a Python program to perform AI-driven player behavioral analysis and adaptive difficulty prediction in virtual environments. Required libraries I'm importing. Now I'm demonstrating this application, Notepad space, Jane 5. So write a Python program to perform AI-driven player behavioral analysis and adaptive difficulty prediction in a virtual environment. Required libraries I'm importing and sklearn I'm using. Then my data set with the 4 attributes like player and action perform, player like up to 8 players I'm taking, actions performed like 50 to 75, decision complexity, high, medium, low, and adaptive difficulty, hard, medium, easy. So then data frame I'm creating, encode categorical variables, generate a scatter plot for analyzing. X label we are taking actions performed, Y label we are taking adaptive difficulty level, and player actions adaptive difficulty in virtual world. And I'm demonstrating this application right now. Because of time, I'm moving fast. Sorry. Jane 5. So, see, these are the statistics it is generated. Then I'm demonstrating this application in Google Collaboratory. See now. So I'm pasting this program, same program, write a Python, 5th program. AI-driven player behavior analysis and adaptive difficulty predictions. See here. Now I have generated very interesting graph. See now. See, player actions versus adaptive difficulty in virtual environments. In x-axis, I have taken actions performed In y-axis, I have taken adaptive difficulty level. Then bar chart distribution of decision complexity in player behavior, like medium, high, low, frequency. This is a decision complexity level through bar chart we have demonstrated. Next, last concept, these are the top 10 applications of AI for enhanced user experience. I have explained already AI powered NPCs, that is non-player characters. Then NPCs that react dynamically to user interactions, realistic facial expression and emotion recognition applications we can solve, and NLP applications, AI-based gesture and motion recognition applications, procedural content generation applications, then adaptive difficulty adjustment, especially in player game applications, AI-driven personalized storytelling, real-time AI-based voice synthesis, and AI enhanced augmented virtual reality. Even AI for cyber security and fraud detection also we are using these technologies. So, so these are the various applications and these are the challenges like technical issues, cost and complexity, health effects, case studies, VR cell biology, virtual reality 3D data visualization, AR surgery planning in health applications. So there are 9 applications of AR and VR in e-learning. See now, critical skill training, on the job training, compliance training, so many applications. So the future topic, how generative AI is shaping the future of AR, MR, and VR experiences. So we are creating innovative new something in which is not available in previous and not existed in the database. We are generating audio, video, text, graphics, animation applications with the help of generative AI. This is my future topic. If anybody would like to attend and take corporate training from me, I'm always welcome to develop collaborative research and so many applications we can develop. With this slide, I'm concluding my session, and this is my YouTube channel. So far, only 10 members subscribed my channel. What about remaining, my dear friends? Any doubts now, Madam Sunita, Madam? Please unmute them. Let them participate for queries, Madam. Any
Yes, sir.
feedback also? Any feedback also you can take randomly, Madam, from through participants. Any
Yes,
doubts,
sir,
my
They
dear?
can unmute and they can ask the queries.
My dear friends, one small request. You can type my name in YouTube and subscribe my channel, not for money. You can check my videos and write comment. At least 248, 247 participants are there. At least I'm expecting 200 comments from 200 participants. One comment at least. Please write down right now. 1 minute time. And meanwhile, somebody can ask query, madam. Please. Anybody having any query? Or feedback, you can give your own feedback. A huge number, very good workshop, 248 members. Any questions from audience? If you are silent, I will ask my own questions. Kiran Kumar, Dr. Y. Kiran Kumar, you can ask one question.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kiran. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, fine, Kiran.
Sir, can you
Yeah,
list
tell
out
me,
any?
ask me doubt.
Sir, can you list out any AI related chat GPT like tools, sir?
There are many tools are there. DALL-E for diagrams,
Regarding
Gemini.
to research oriented, sir.
Yeah, research oriented. There are plenty of tools are available,
Uh,
but uh, you can see even in ChatGPT itself, you can generate a number of diagrams and a number of applications, number of many things.
yes,
Uh,
yes, sir.
AI tools are available right now. You can use different AI tools are available right now in the
What
market.
is the exact difference between generative AI and AI, sir?
Very good question, Kiran. In generative AI, we are creating new innovative audio video application with a combination of machine and deep learning techniques, that application which is not available in right now, we haven't seen in before. Such type of applications called a generative AI. Whereas AI, artificial intelligence, science and engineering to develop intelligent based applications with the traditional way, that application may be available existing in database. In previous we have seen same audio video based application. Again, traditional
Okay.
methods we are using in
Yes, yes,
AI.
sir. Okay, sir.
Generative AI uses generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders. Especially, we are using these two techniques in generative AI with the combination of machine and deep learning techniques. Kiran,
Yes,
are you
yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Any
Thank
other
you, sir.
participants having any queries from audience? If you are not asking question, that means you haven't understood my today's topic. That is my assumption. Anybody can give your own feedback, whether you like the presentation or not.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please. Who's this?
Sir, this is Sayer, sir, from Coimbatore, PBG College of Arts
Yeah,
and
please,
Science.
sir. Nalla irkinga,
Nice
sir?
present. நல்லா
Yeah.
இருக்கு சார் நல்லா இருக்கு சார் நைஸ்
Ah,
presentation சார் தேங்க்யூ so
thank you
much சார்
so much, Kiran.
சார்
Which part you like it? My presentation. Which part you like it?
சார் ஏஐ டூல்ஸ் சார் அண்ட் என்எல்பி சார்
Very good, very good, very good.
சார் மை கொஸ்டின் இஸ் சார்
Yeah.
ஐ நீட் எனி அதர் எஜுகேஷன் ரிலேட்டட் ஏஐ டூல்ஸ் சார்
Yeah, there are right now I am unable to recognize those tools. There are Moodle Cloud, and we are using for student performance some tools we are using actually. One of the tool I forgot actually for
ஓகே சார்
academic related tools,
ஓகே
Moodle Cloud, and one more is infrastructure cloud is there. I forgot actually. Okay,
ஓகே சார்
so yeah.
ஓகே கிளவுட் ஓகே ஓகே சார் தேங்க்யூ சார்
Any other questions related to augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, and AI, artificial intelligence concept, machine and deep learning concepts? Do you have any questions? Please
Hello,
ask.
sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
please, sir.
This is
Sorry,
Vanraju
can
from
you
Mysore, MIT. So,
Sir?
how AI and AR, VR used in healthcare?
Oh, very good, sir. For surgery, see, the doctor is available in America and he is doing surgery in India with the help of immersions and with the help of virtual and augmented reality concepts. They are incorporated and it enhances user experiences and minute level errors also they are rectifying with the help of machine and deep learning techniques. And they are doing telesurgeon, I mean surgery, telemedicine. These are the very good applications we are developing with the help of AI, VR, AR, and MR technologies. Very good question, sir.
What
Very
about the
good.
precision rate, sir?
Yeah, 99.99.
Okay.
Okay, still we haven't reached 100%. Still ongoing, research is ongoing because we are solving very critical and complex applications. That's why we are integrating and leveraging AI techniques with the machine and deep learning like CNN, RNN, LSTM, and various frameworks we are integrating so that the error rate we are making very 0.00001 like that, because we are applying on surgery and medicine and in a health point of view we must be care. That's why these technologies are helping like anything.
Yes, sir. Accuracy
Very
is
good
very much
question, sir.
essential.
Yes,
Thank you.
very good question, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any other participants?
Sir, one more question shared in the chat, sir.
Yeah, chat. Yeah, please, sir.
Hello, good
Oh,
evening, sir.
good evening, madam.
I am Pratima, sir.
Pratima, madam, from which place, which college, madam?
I am from Jain University, sir. Very good session to attend only, and
Thank
it's
you.
so
Thank you
much
so much.
informative session. Sir,
Yeah.
actually, I just want to know that AR and VR using that only with GNAI. So, how it will be helpful for nowadays for mental health disorders? It's increasing. How it will be helpful for neuropsychiatrics,
Very
like
good question. Very
diagnosis or
good
something?
question. Yeah, very good question. So,
Within
if
like
you
any
want to
model can
solve,
be any
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
any
yeah,
model
very
can be
good question.
developed so that it will be helpful like pre-detection or early detection like for the patients those are severe like getting.
Very good question, madam. Keep it up. The answer for this question, if you want to solve a neurocomputing related disease or any kind of application prediction detection using these technologies, if you leverage like integration of generative adversarial networks, gen AI with the combination variational autoencoders and GANs and deep learning techniques, if you want to leverage or integrating CNN, RNN, LSTM, so that you are solving new audio video application with combination. You haven't seen such type of application in before or existed in the database. You can solve and you can get very good results on this neuro computing applications by using CNN, RNN models and LSTM. If you integrate with the combination of AR, VR, MR technologies, so that we are getting very good research article, and you can get a patent from that research, and it is very helpful for your research growth also. Very good question,
Sir,
madam. You can generate
objective
very good models are
objective
available. Very good model you can generate.
sir objective is like that how it will be helpful for a diagnosis approach only. Nowadays that is
Yeah,
only
for
more like
diagnosis, we are reaching up to the 99.99% of very complex health disease applications. Also, we are solving with the combination Gen AI and ML and DL, AR, VR, and MR technologies. If we integrate, new model will generate because you are leveraging these technologies. You are
okay.
integrating with the GAN, WAN, and CNN, RNN, LSTM with the combination of any Python frameworks like Keras, TensorFlow, and real-time frameworks like VGC16, GoogleNet, ResNet, and a few more frameworks. If you integrate, the new model will generate. That model will predict the neuro computing health disease, health related applications. Very good. It is useful for society also.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So, very good. Any feedback from participants? If not, Sunita madam.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Hello, I am Dr. Gurunath.
Gurunath sir, please tell me from which
From
college and
Bangalore.
which place,
From
sir?
Bangalore. Bangalore, sir.
Oh, Bangalore.
Okay. Okay. Sir, my question is, using AR, VR, MR,
Yeah.
how can we integrate this concept into steganography wherein data hiding and a
Yes,
concept
yes.
of information security we
Yes,
can able to
yes.
provide along with the blockchain?
Oh, very good. See, you have already made the combination a new model now with the
Yes, yes.
combination of steganography
Yeah.
and with the combination of image processing
Yes,
and
sir.
machine learning, deep learning, and you are integrating with AR, VR, and MR.
Yeah.
Automatically, you are integrating with so many technologies and so many techniques.
Okay.
So definitely, it will become a very good model for any application, even in steganography
My question
application.
is like, sir, steps. What is the
Yeah.
steps that
So for that
like?
one, what you have to do,
Hmm.
you are increasing security in that steganography by incorporating all these technologies for transmitting data from one system to server, server to data anywhere.
Yeah.
So there are various steps you need to follow. First, you need to collect the data and you need to incorporate computer network steganography algorithms. Then
Yes.
again, you have to apply AI techniques and you need to choose which immersion technologies you would like to perform user experience to
Yes, sir.
see whether that application is received the end user how the security level is incorporated in that one. So many things are you have. See, even blockchain also you have integrated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that means it is a new, innovative something in the real-time environment. That's why this application comes under generative AI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good question, sir.
Thank you very
Keep
much,
it up.
sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah. 231 participants are there, but only 10 members written comments. Please open my channel and write one comment at least, my dear friends.
Hello, sir.
Madam.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you
Varsha
are
Lokal,
audible.
yes, sir. Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, please, madam.
Like
Ask me.
suppose in education field, like you may go through students, those are slow learners. So
Yes.
can we use generative AI so that
Yes.
their cognition can be increased?
Yes, 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 yes. Madam, do you want to publish your papers in this generative AI, or what is your question exactly?
Actually, I'm working in brain analysis, like EEG related tasks, cognition, EEG
Okay.
analysis. In that domain, I'm working. I have
Okay.
already published in same domain.
Very good.
This is one research problem which I identified, like
Okay. Very
how
good.
to deal with class in which slow learners are there. Like we can't use same teaching methodology for all
Yes.
students. For
Yes,
them,
yes.
suppose we want to increase their understanding or early detection of some failures in that. So,
Yes,
is it
madam.
possible to
Yes, yes, it is possible because you
open?
need to collect the number of samples from the student point of view, and you need to store it, and we
Okay.
need to apply various pre-processing technique for remove the noisy data. Then you can choose the best model in artificial intelligence with the combination of AI, generative AI, machine and deep learning techniques, so that it can predict and detect very easily slow learners behavior, and which application is innovative you cannot find in earlier, so that this paper can publish. Very good question, madam. Keep it up. You can increase
Thank you, sir. Thank
your
you.
technologies,
Yes.
techniques in this application.
Yes.
Madam,
Very nice
next speaker is waiting,
presentation, sir.
madam. Time is over.
Oh.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think one more last question we can take, sir.
Yeah, please ask me
Sir,
last
I have a
question, sir.
question. Sir, Srinivas, sir, thank you so much for sharing all your thoughts, sir, because the kind of, even though I'm not from a technical background, after
Okay.
attending the session, I understood so many things are there in technology, so many things, we can do calculations, so many things, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much,
much.
sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah. And what is your doubt? Please ask me so that I will clarify your doubt.
No, I don't have any doubt, sir, because I understood technology today only.
Very good.
So many things are there, sir.
Okay, I am going to stop now here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. అయిపోయిందిలేమ్మా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఉండింది అయిపోయింది చెప్పు బాగా రాసావమ్మా ఎగ్జామ్ సరే
Thank you so much, sir, for your informative session on artificial intelligence and its role in enhancing user experience in virtual worlds.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, participants, for your active engagement during this session. Good evening, everyone. As we come to the conclusion of this insightful faculty development program session, it is my privilege to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, sir. Your expertise in machine learning, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, virtual worlds, and the metaverse has provided us with a deeper understanding of these cutting-edge technologies and their real-world applications. Your engaging session has undoubtedly sparked curiosity and inspiration among all of us. We truly appreciate the time and the effort you have taken to share your knowledge, insights, and practical experiences. Your thought-provoking perspectives have broadened our understanding and encouraged us to explore these transformative technologies further. A special thanks to all the participants for your active engagement and enthusiasm throughout the session. Let us take the valuable learnings from today and apply them in our academic and professional journeys. Once again, thank you, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu sir, for your enlightening session. We look forward to more such opportunities to learn from your expertise in the future. Wishing you,
sir.
everyone, continued success and innovation in your respective fields. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Now, I request the participants kindly turn on your video so that we can take a group picture.
Sorry.
Screenshot. Can you view the screenshot?
Completed, sir. Video. Snapchat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Dear participants, now we are about to start the second session on day 2. We are privileged to host Dr. Rajarmani Dinakaran, an esteemed academic and researcher. Her specializations are the artificial intelligence, assistive technology, e-learning, and e-gaming. Dr. Rajarmani is currently an associate professor at the Faculty of Data Science and Information Technology, INTA International University, Malaysia. She holds a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and PhD from University Technology, Malaysia, along with Masters in Information Technology from University Kebangsaan, Malaysia. She has published over 100 research papers in leading, including SCI list, international journals, local journals, various conferences, and the book chapters. She has successfully guided 5 PhD scholars. She supervised undergraduate, masters, and PhD students in AI and immersive technologies. She is an editorial board member, technical reviewer for reputed conferences and journals. With her extensive contributions to AI and next generation immersive experiences, we are honored to have her with us today for a session on next generation AI tools for immersive experiences. Ladies and gentlemen, please join with me in welcoming Dr. Rajarmani Dinakaran ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Naveen. Okay, for a nice introduction about myself. Okay, so let me share first my slide. And can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good
Clear,
to go.
yeah?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Slides are showing. You can put in slideshow.
Okay. Okay, so just give me. Okay. Because I get to use with Microsoft Teams, so it's very rare I'm using Zoom. So, okay, so please excuse me if I'm I'm not very good here. Okay, so I hope that everyone can see my screen. So, okay, today's my sharing sections. Yeah, it's about next generations AI tools for immersive experience. Okay, so I'm Dr. Rajamani Dinakaran, okay, from Faculty of Data Science and Information Technology, Inti International University. Yeah. So, okay. May I know what time I should stop? Because now Malaysia time is 10:15. So I have a 1.5 hour. Am I correct? The section?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
in Malaysia time, you can continue till 11:45.
Okay, so Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to keep okay all the participants here very long because some of the information is already been shared by our previous speaker, yeah, Dr. Asadi. And also I'm really enjoy with his sharing. Okay, so no worries. Okay, I will try to finish by time, yeah. Okay, so okay, so this is the how to say the okay, the outline, yeah, for today's sharing section. So actually, I'm not going to use or utilize 1.5 hours because normally when is the sharing sections given to me, normally will be 1 hour. So today's my preparation also only for 1 hour. Okay, so no worries, yeah. But of course, everyone are most welcome to ask questions. Okay, so this is what today's topic. So of course, introduction. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the key characteristic of immersive experience and what are the AI tools for immersive experience, and then how to choose the AI tools for immersive experience. And I will share some example. This is my real example. Okay, and of course at the end a conclusion. Okay. So, okay, this is a bit of my profile. Okay, so I think just now, Mr. Navin already, he introduced. I'm a Malaysian. Okay, so, yep, but I can still Tamil because just now, I think in the first sections with the Dr. Studies, okay, some of you are talking Tamil. Yep. Okay, I'm very fluent with Tamil, but I'm a Malaysian citizen. So, okay, this is my qualification. Okay, and then just want to share with a bit of my research interest. Yeah. So this is my actually I'm how to say my research is multi-domain. Yeah. Okay, very diverse. So I'm doing research. Okay, not only in the computing science. Okay, I'm also doing research in education and of course in business. Okay, and so many. Okay, so that is diverse. And for your information, I'm a educator for almost 28 years already. So I'm in the education field almost 28 years. So that's why my main research or interest domain is computer assisted education. Okay, and then assistive technology, basic. Okay, this one related to the disabled peoples. Gaming and animation. Of course, I just put sustainability because nowadays, when we are doing a research or anything, okay, we actually related with the sustainability. That means I think everyone know, yeah, SDG goals. Okay, sustainability development goals, which we have to achieve by 2030. Okay, so I don't want to talk a lot about the sustainability. So I think everyone knows. So this is my interest domain. Okay. Okay, just a bit of introduction. Okay, okay, I mentioned that. Yeah, I'm from Malaysia. I'm a Malaysian citizen. Okay, if I want to go to India, of course, I need to have a e-visa. Okay, so I'm already been here in Malaysia. I'm the 4th generation in Malaysia. Yeah. So I think some of you know already Malaysia. Maybe some of you here, the audience here, have been to Malaysia. Maybe some of you not yet. Yeah, you're all most welcome to visit Malaysia. And when we come, when you come to Malaysia, of course, you can see many Indians here. Okay, and even though in my universities, okay, we have many lecturers from India. Okay, so Malaysia, okay, cultural diversity. Okay, so we have Malay, okay, the ethnics, yeah, the race, Chinese and Indian and many others. So that's why we say cultural diversity, yeah. So here, so just a bit, okay. I need to get my laser. Okay, so okay, multiracial, of course, continental food because we have multiracial, so our food also mixed up. Okay, and of course we have a modern architecture and multilingualism. So of course the language we are speaking here, we are spoken here. So our national language is Malay language. And then, of course, everyone can speak Malay. And then English. Of course, my mother tongue is Tamil. I can speak fluently, Tamil. And of course, we have Chinese here. Okay, so multilingualism. Okay, just a bit. Okay, and then, okay, so I'm from Inti International University. Yeah. Okay, so this is a bit of history. Okay, so currently, our stakeholder is from China. So now, okay. And then, yes, we have 4 campus. Okay, internationally. So I'm coming from Inti International University, yeah? And we have other 3 branches. Okay, so all these branches are colleges. And maybe just a bit of introduction of Malaysia. So the map. So this is actually the Malaysia map. Okay, this is West Malaysia. Then this is East Malaysia. Okay, normally when people come to Malaysia, they always like say that, okay, this is this part only is Malaysia. No, we have 2. Okay, so this is West Malaysia. Okay, so my university is located in Negeri Sembilan. Actually, it's near to our KLI International Airport. One is Penang, is a tourist place, and one is Subang in Selangor, in another state, and then another one in East Malaysia. Okay, so we call it Inti College Sabah. So this is East Malaysia. We have 2, Sabah and Sarawak, 2 states, and down there is Kalimantan, and this part is Brunei. Okay, so this is a bit of Malaysia. Okay, then of course my university is in the US ranking already, 516. And of course, just I want to take this opportunity. Okay, we have a lot of collaborations opportunities in my university. Currently, past 2 years, okay, after our new stakeholder take over our INTI, so this stakeholder trying to make the INTI University as a research university. So to become a research university, so we have a lot of collaboration opportunities. So yeah, basically for students and also for the lecturers out there. So we have some customized study tour, okay, can come to our INTI as a study tour, student mobility program, and then we also have a student exchange program, and also we have a visiting scholar, and then we have online, offline teachers trainings, okay, program, and then program collaboration, and also online symposium and forum invitations, we have it. And also we have a joint research collaborations. Okay, so maybe later I'll share what means by joint research collaborations. Okay, so there is some of the collaborations opportunities. Of course, later also I'll share my email, okay, and also my WhatsApp number. So anyone, okay, interested are most welcome. Yeah, it doesn't mean the lecturers only, the student also can. Okay, so okay, thank you for the listening. So now come back to the today's sections. Okay, no worries, guys. I'm not going to take a lot of time there because some of the things which I want to share, I think the previous Dr. Asadi already shared with you all. Okay, so now, so come back to my topic. It's about next generations. Oh, sorry. Okay, next generative AI. Generations AI. Yeah, so generations AI tools for immersive experience. Okay. So when we talk about AI tools, okay, AI tools is very general. So we can narrow down to like virtual reality or augmented reality or mixed reality or AI-driven simulations. So this is all the how to say the technology involved in the immersive experience. Okay. What means by immersive experience? Because we need to understand the definition first, then only we can go down or we can dive down the topics to this topic, yeah? So, okay, so I give already the definition. It's a digitally enhanced, yeah, or artificially created environment that deeply engage users, yeah, by simulating a realistic or interactive world. So that is what we calling as a immersive experience. Okay, so when we use this technology, okay, whatever technology, can be VR, AR, or MR, or whatever, when we use this, okay, we want to feel that we are in a real environment. It is realistic. Okay, so that is what we call immersive experience. Okay, for example, yeah, can you see that this image I put it? Okay, maybe you all think why suddenly the image is there. Okay, actually, this image when you see is a Great Pyramid of Giza. Okay, it is one of 7 wonders in Malaysia. Sorry, in the world. Okay, do you all know all the 7 wonders, guys? Anyone? Okay, because I can't read the chat box. Maybe you just can say yes or no. Okay, we have yes, yeah, we have many 7 wonders. Yeah, we have many. Okay, it's changing. Okay, so this one of the 7 wonders in ancient time. Okay, so if we have the opportunity, yes, we can go and visit it. But sometimes we don't have opportunity. Okay, like myself, okay, how to say, my to-do list, yeah, my bucket list, okay. One of that is I want to visit 7 wonders, yeah, in this world. Okay, 7 wonders. So far, I only managed to visit one, Great Wall of China. And again, okay, another 7 wonders is Taj Mahal. So I'm trying to come to India, to New Delhi for okay, this year. Maybe I able to cover it. Okay. For example, there is one wonders, okay, which is Hanging Garden of Babylon. Is no more. Okay, and sometimes people say it's only a fiction. Okay, it's just a fairy tales. Okay, it's not there, but actually it's been there, but it's no more. Okay, so how we can create, okay, the environment that. So for example, here I just come back to the pyramid here. Okay, uh not everyone have the opportunity to visit this pyramid, but however, we can visit it in virtual way. So this is how we can create it, okay, by using whatever technology, virtual reality or augmented reality, okay, or maybe we can go to, okay, whatever, okay, technology here, we can create the virtual environment and be able to feel it, to be, okay, and we have the opportunity to visit it. So that is what we are trying to say. Okay, so the topic is, okay, immersive experience by using all the AI tools. So that is what I'm going to talk. Okay, so when we talk about, okay, you want to use all this AI technology, okay, to create an immersive experience, okay, in whatever environment, okay. Just now, okay, maybe I can relate it. Okay, just now I can relate this image, okay, the pyramid for with the tourism, okay. And also, we can create any, how to say, virtual world with for any environment. For example, just now, I can see, okay, the participant asked, okay, how to create it in the education. I'm really very, keep, how to say, interested with that question. Okay, because one of my research also in education. So how we can create, okay, immersive experience for different environment or different industry. Example, for education, for tourism, okay, for medical, or for trainings, or okay, for transportation, a lot. Okay, so nowadays, when we talk about the technology, the AI technology, it can be anywhere. Okay, it can be anywhere. We just can't see, okay, or we just can't see where the technology not being used. Okay, this is always I ask my question to my student. Okay, we can use technology in any industry, anywhere, even though in agriculture. Okay, but can you all think, okay, where the technology cannot be used? Okay, so you think maybe you all can go back today, okay, at night, okay, comfortably, okay, you lie down on your bed and think, yeah, okay, you find out where the technology is not being used. Okay, so even in the jungle also, yeah, we are using. Okay, so now come back to the topic here. Okay, so key characteristics here of immersive experience. What we should have it. Okay, so this is the important characteristics we must have it. Realism and presence. Okay, when we create an immersive experience with AI, okay, the user must feel, okay, inside, okay, the experience rather than just observing. So that means, okay, whatever, because we are creating a artificial environment. So when we are creating an artificial environment, okay, we don't want the user, okay, think that it's only artificial. We want them to think that no, okay, when you use that whatever environment we created, it must be real. So that is must be there. Okay. And of course, must be interactive. User can interact with the digital elements in the real time. Okay, so so this one can be used of course, some devices, sometimes maybe the headset, okay, or the, how to say, the joysticks, all these things. So to interact, so must be interactive in the real time. And of course, multi-sensory engagement. So when we say multi-sensory engagement, it incorporates like visuals, sounds, haptics, and even olfactory cues. Actually, many. Yeah. So maybe you are thinking, what means by this? Okay, in the following slides, okay, I will explain. Maybe some of you already know what is this. Okay, okay. I just want if some of you already know, it's okay, but maybe some of you don't know. Never mind. Okay, it become your, okay, just wait. Okay, I will explain that. Okay, can be very curious. And then AI integrations, yes. Okay, use machine learning or deep learning to adapt the personalize that experience dynamically. So I don't want to talk about machine learning or deep learning here because, okay, Dr. Asadi just now clearly explain it. Okay, clearly, very clearly explain it. Okay, because when we look on the immersive experience, yeah, with the AI tools, not only the device, we also need some the back end, yeah, the softwares to work together. So that's why now we have machine learning and deep learning and so many algorithms there, which, okay, why we are using all these algorithm, yeah, because we want to personalize the experience, okay, dynamically. So to personalize the experience, we need to write algorithms. We need to use algorithms, okay. How to personalize? It depends what actually we want it, okay. And spiral computing tracks user movement and gestures to enhance the realism. So can you see that it come back here? Okay, so still we can use, okay, it come back here, multi-sensory engagement, okay, the devices, all these things. And of course, when we use the devices, it can be interactive, okay, and it make more the thing is more reality, you feel, this is is in the real world. Okay, so this is the characteristic we have to work out. So when we try to create any AI, okay, that means a VR environment or AR environment, okay. So these characteristic we must, because actually we may have many, but I just pick the 5 is which is most important. So we need to look on this. Okay. Now, okay, just now I say that all factory, yeah. Okay, new device for conveying olfactory stimulate in virtual reality. Okay, for example, here, okay, actually, guys, I will share my slides later on because in my slides, I also have put many links, yeah, sharing links here. So, I think you can have my slide. Okay, then you can access the links all, yeah. So, this one, can you see this image here? Okay, this image. Inside the image, we can have a flower vase, and also here, some image is with flower vase. Okay, if in real world, when we have flowers, of course, the smell of flower, we can smell it. Okay, so that's in the real world. So we want to imitate whatever in the real world to a virtual world. Okay, so we can create the flowers, the movement, everything. But how about the smell? The smell. Okay, so this is what we call all okay, factory stimulate. Okay, just hold on. I want to get my icon back. My mouse. Okay, I need to go back there because okay. Okay, so this is an example. Okay. Actually, yeah, is they put it in 2023. I'm really interested on this. They say that new device for conveying olfactory stimulate for virtual reality. So, so what they do, they use some, okay, a team of biomedical, yeah, and mechanical engineers at City, yeah, at Hong Kong, PCT University of Hong Kong, working with a pair of, okay, with another university. They developed 2 versions of system designed to convey olfactory stimulate in virtual reality. Their result was published in the Natural Communication, so we can look on that. So they are trying to come out a smell and taste. Okay, VR system become ever more realistic. Designer and users have noticed that 2 of the senses are still very much absent in the virtual world: smell and taste. Okay, I agree with these how to say researchers. Okay, because my research, my PhD research, okay, basically I'm looking on the motivation. Okay, how I can assess motivations using the machines. Okay, but on that time, okay, I'm also thinking, okay, let's say if I want to my machine to detect the smell or the taste, how, yeah? So that time I couldn't figure out. But however, I'm so happy that someone already have figured out. Okay. So can you see that so most system design have involved use of extras or automizers. Okay, so you can read this. Okay, just I want to show here. Okay, they use this. The team has developed 2 aromatic system designs. Yeah. The first is simplest. It's look like a band-aid. Okay, the product pouch glued on. The patch is affixed it to the upper lip and emits the 2 cents. The second system is soft face mask that emits up to the 9 cents. Since, yeah. So they do some, okay, away and okay, and then they attached, okay, I think with the headset. So of course they are linked with the devices and the system. Okay, so this how, okay, so I think you can read this because I don't want to read with you all. Okay, so sure I will share the what is it, the slides with you all. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me go back to, okay, So this is what we call olfactory stimulate. Okay. So again, maybe, yup. Okay, there are some researchers out there, or maybe there's a postgraduate students out there. Why not? You look on, okay, in this area, in the research area, yeah. So of course today I'm going to share a lot of things, okay, where maybe you can think how to use it or how you can use it in your research, or how you can come up with the new research on this okay virtual okay AI in the virtual world. Yeah. Now, okay, and here, okay, I'm going to share with you okay AI tools okay for immersive experience. There is I think 5 categories, yeah, 5 categories. Okay, 5 categories. Okay, because I thought that okay, my section only 1 hour. Okay, so I didn't how to say, prepare any hands-on, a lot of hands-ons, yeah. But however, I will share all this again. Okay, you can have a look, and okay, you can try. Maybe in future, if there is any opportunity, okay, so I can okay, or maybe we can do the hands-on. Okay, so here AI tools for virtual humans, yeah, and NPCs, or we call AI character or non-player characters. Okay, again, I'm not going to explain what is a non-player characters. Okay, I believe that Dr. Asadi already explained that. Okay, virtual humans. Yeah, so we want to create a virtual humans. Okay, so actually there are many tools available. Yeah, tools available nowadays. It's not like my time, like past 10 years, it's very hard to get it. Okay, but now, oh my God, so many tools there. So whatever tools I'm sharing here is not only tools, yeah, there are many, but these tools, I pick it up as for like a free, or mostly, okay, there is no such term of free, yeah. It's like a trial versions. Or maybe is like how to say, it's a free, but we don't get a lot of features. There are not many features available. Okay, so we can do it. So one of the, okay, we want to create the character, yeah, the characters. Okay, so because when we develop the virtual, sometimes we need to develop the character or the image, or we call avatar. Okay, it depends what type of how to say, environment you are looking on it. Is it in education? Is it in the gaming? Okay, or is it in the of maybe education, or in the training, or whatever lah. Okay, so again, okay, so this one is in-world AI. It's a free for basic, okay, basic free lah, but however you need to purchase, you buy it. Okay, and use it, we can use for storytelling. Okay, creates intelligence with personality, memory, and also they can create the emotions. Okay, sometimes when we create a virtual environment, okay, the human's emotions must be shown. Okay, sometimes we want to show, are you happy, are you angry, are you sad, so this kind of thing, so we need to create it. So yep. Okay, so it's a working link. Okay, and then yep, you need to log in to use it. Okay, so I didn't integrate with the samples here, so you can go and have a look. Okay, how it works. So then we go to the second. Conrad is a free tier AI integrated for, okay, normally for games and metaverse, yeah. So this is another one. Conversational AI characters. So you want to create a AI characters, yeah. The avatars with, you want to, they can talk, do a okay. communications, yeah, conversations. So we can go here. Okay. Again, yep. You can sign in to get the basic features, and of course, you need to pay. Okay. Again, guys, there's nothing free in this world, yeah. Okay, now, okay, this one is the common one. Free for interactive AI storing and role play. Okay, but still the price is there. Okay, so this is, so in future, if I got another opportunity, sure, we can do the hands-on. Maybe I can pick one of the key softwares, then we can do a simple hands-on, yeah. Okay, so sorry for that, because I thought that it's only 1 hour, so I didn't prepare any hands-on. So these some AI tools for virtual humans. Okay, now we go to the second. AI generated 3D world building. Okay, okay, you want to create the, how to say, the background, yeah. So you can have, this is some of the, again, not free, but still you can use it. Okay, we have NVIDIA almost. Okay, it's all working. So yes, I do want to agree. Okay, so a lot of things you can look, you can explore it, yeah. And then Luma, okay, Skybox, and also Dream Fusion. Okay, so Dream Fusion actually, they said is developed by Google, and it's open source, and basically they able to generate, yeah, text to 3D models. Okay, sometimes we want to create and show to create the text, and we want to visualize it in the 3D models, 3-dimensional, you can use it. Okay, guys, so I know that maybe some of you are familiar, maybe you have how to say, more sophisticated softwares. Yes, you can use it. Okay, now this one is AI for augmented reality and mixed reality. Okay, so we can go to the using Google ARC, okay, or Apple Kit, yeah, AR Kit, okay, or Titanic, okay, light ships. Enhance a real world AR for developers. So maybe we can look on this. Okay, it's under the Google, but again, we need to sign in, yeah. So this is how to create world scale immersive, yeah, in the augmented reality platforms. Okay, so can you see that the images, the way they created in the background scenes, yeah. So there's a lot of things here. Okay, you can look on it, yeah. So okay, then I'll go to the following tools. I like this. AI for storytelling and adaptive content. I hope that everyone know what means by the storytelling here, yeah. The terms of storytelling is a very common term. We use it when, okay, when we have our children, they don't want to sleep. Okay, always we tell story to make them sleep. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, so now you want to tell the story maybe based on the any environment, so we can use it. Okay, we have GPT-4, Runaway, ML, machine learning, okay, and Fable AI. Okay, before that, may I know GPT stands for what, yeah? Anyone? Of course, this GPT is actually we are using Chat GPTs under the environment. Anyone? What is a GPT? Chat GPT is really a controversial software, yeah. So come to GPT also, it actually is a controversial software. Okay, what means by anyone? Okay, please don't type at the chat box, yeah, because I'm not in the okay in the Zoom environment. I'm in the PowerPoint and other environment. Anyone? Because we always use ChatGPT, our favorite how to say tools, our assistant tools. Generate. Yes, yes, yeah, okay, go ahead. I thought yes, go ahead. Generative.
Pretext transformer.
Okay, generative pre-training transformer. Okay, text form. So thank you. At least I don't know how many participants here. At least someone has answering my question, yeah. Because sometimes we say chat GPT or GPT, but at the end of the day, what means by that, yeah? Okay, so that's the so you can use this GPT. It's a free via chat GPT, free plan, yeah. So they're able to of course it's a AI driven adaptive dialogue for immersive experience. And we have another one. Okay, run ML. Okay, maybe I can click that. Okay, so this is actually run ML. Gen 3 apa. Okay, so okay, what you can do with this. Okay, but I more prefer the GPT, yeah. Okay, I more prefer the GPT. Okay, and actually I prepared one exercise there. Okay, maybe I can share this. Actually, I have one. Okay, how you can deploy, okay, using GPT. Well, of course, it is integrate. You can integrate it with the Python. Okay, you can use CH coding. Okay, so of course, later I give time to scan the QR code to get the tutorial. Okay, or maybe I can share the slide. You can get it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, yeah, just a bit of GPT for how it works. Yeah. Okay, because this is I think the easiest one we can apply. Okay, how this GPT for enhance immersive experience. Okay, so when we say immersive experience, so is based on three things here, two things about the features we have to look and what the environment you want to create it. That is where we say use cases. Okay, so okay, of course you have some ideas what you want to do it, and then in that environment maybe you want to have interactive dialogues in VR or AR and metaverse. Okay, worlds, for example, you say that AI driven NPC that respond naturally to the user, so you create a scenario. Okay, and then for example maybe in the education, yeah. Okay, you want the system, the environment wants to interact with the user. So the user here, it can be a children, a student. Student maybe they are children, or they are maybe primary. All this. Is it my slide moving? Hello. I heard someone's talking.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
question?
ma'am. It's moving. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, slides moving. I'm sorry, if you hear some background firecrackers. Okay. So actually, last week we celebrate Chinese New Year. Okay, so it will be celebrated until this 12th. So that's why at night, okay, they play with firecrackers. So sorry for the background sound. Okay, so the features here AI powered NPC conversations. So this is the use case and how apply it in GPT, like dynamic storytelling. So this is what all the scenarios we can use this GPT for. Okay, real-time content personalization, so all these things we can do it. Okay, so I think this is the most easiest tools we can use it, and of course how to say is free of charge. Okay, but still, when we want to use this GPT, this environment, we also can link with other tools. Okay, so let me show. Okay, oh, okay. So do I? Okay, no. Other tools, I think the other side. Okay, I think the other tools is already in the exercise here. So this one is just the guideline how to use the GPT for immersive experience. So choose a platform, okay, whatever platform, and then you have to integrate this GPT. Okay, maybe you can use your Unity or Unreal engines. This is all the common platform we use it for the virtual environment or augmented environment, yeah, or all these things, and train the AI. Okay, so you have to train the AI, feed the GPT with the game law or what, okay, or NPC character profiles and branching the storylines. So this is the steps, yeah, you can do it. Of course, the practical is in the link here. Okay, maybe you can scan it, or maybe later on you say that, ma'am, it's too late already, I'm so tired. So maybe later, so sure, okay, I'll share the slides. Okay, so integrate the speech and interaction. We can do it. We can combine it. Combine with the voice. Okay, AI, yeah. And then test the adaptive storytelling and then deploy and optimize. So this one is actually we are using GPT with a chosen platform. Okay, we have to choose a few platforms to integrate it so that we able to create the how to say the environment there. Okay, so because when we say virtual environment, of course, it involves with the images, with the sounds, okay, even with the feelings, a lot of things. So that's why, so this is the steps we need to follow so that we able to use this GPT. Okay. And then, yeah, just now I say that this is all tools where we can use it because to make it more immersive experience. So of course, we have our AI for sound and voice interactions. So these some of the, of course, free but not free, yeah. Okay, resemble AI generate reality for voice, altered, okay, and Dolby Atmos, yeah. So this is some of the tools we can combine it together. Okay, now. And of course, the most I like it is I always go to the open source and free AI tools for immersion. Okay, I believe you all come across with these tools. Actually, with these combinations of these tools, okay, whatever I share just now, also you can use it. But the most common, how to say, the tools we can create it an immersive experience by using the Blender. Anyone know how to use Blender? We can create a 3D animations with Blender. I've used this software, I think almost 10 years back. Okay, but now there are a lot of improvement. Okay, Blender. And Blender is very, how to say, a very interesting software, and actually it's a free software. You just go to the Google search engine, just type the Blender. You able to go to the website and download it. No issue. And then there are a lot of, if you are not, how to say, don't have experience using it, or this is first time, no issue, because they have a lot tutorials. Okay, from the basic to advanced, you can use it. It's very free. It's a very powerful tools, yeah. Maybe in future I can maybe introduce Blender lah. Okay, and I think everyone know the Unity. Okay, when we come to the VR or AR, or we use the Unity platforms and AI plugins, yeah. Okay, AI assisted game or VR development. So normally my students, when comes to the gaming, yeah, for my undergraduate students. Okay, then when they do the projects related to gamings, yes, they like to use Unity platform. Okay, and Unreal Engine 5, A-powered immersive world building. Okay, and basically for free, and it's not for commercial use. Okay, maybe for the research use or for the testing use. So this is actually some of the tools, yeah, we can use it to create it. Okay, a very immersive environment. Okay, so this thing. Okay, now. Okay, so now I talk about the tools. Okay, but so many tools, man. Then which one is the best? Sure, maybe some of you will ask me, okay, ask me the question. Ma'am, you have shared so many, okay, I think each category I share 3 to 4. And after that, then you do some searching and then you come up with, oh my God, there's 100 of tools out there and which one I need to use. Can you suggest, okay, the good tools or what is your suggestion, ma'am? I want to do this. Actually, I don't have any suggestions. Okay. Then you're thinking, then ma'am, then how come you're sharing sessions here? Okay, so no point we are join these sessions. Okay, so actually it depends on what actually you want to create it. Okay, so that's the thing. So here I say that choosing the right AI tools for immersive experience, yeah, depends on the use case. What actually you want to try to create, and depends also which industry is related. Is it education? Is it training? Is it agriculture? Is it medical? Is it so many lah? Okay, and also we have to look also the technology compatibility. So this is all the things we need to look. This is very important. Okay, even though we are good in using whatever tools which I share with you, and also of course the current generation, Generation Z, they are very good in all using tools, explore all whatever tools available. That's good. Okay, not like myself, a bit old already. Okay, sometimes it takes time for me to explore it. For example, Blender. It really takes a lot of time for me to explore, but I really enjoy it. Okay, so now, how to choose the right tools? Okay, so actually, there are 5 steps. Okay, there are 5 steps we need to look. So we really have to look on these 5 steps. Okay, so today why am I sharing why I put it this? Okay, because this is the important part. So we have to look on these 5 things so that you will create. Someone is playing with my slide. Okay, who is there? But I can read the name just now. Rangaraju? I'm not happy with you. I will stop here. Dr. Sanita, are you there? Someone is playing around. I'm not happy with that.
Hello. Unmute.
Yeah, someone
Hello,
is playing, yeah?
Hello, ma'am.
So I'm not
Yes, ma'am.
happy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
someone is playing with they are writing on my slides.
Ma'am, we will see to it, ma'am. We will just check it out.
Okay, okay. Because I know that because in Malaysia it's already 11. Actually, this is my sleeping time. Okay, but I'm just how to say I spend my time with this sharing so that at least you got something. And of course, I'm not going to keep you. I'm almost going to finish. Okay, I know that 2 section is very heavy for you all. It's not easy to absorb everything in. Just that be patient with me, yeah. Okay, so come back. Define. Okay, this one we have to do. Okay, even though you how good in all the tools available, you must know. Okay, what actually you want to create. So this is where we call it as a define, use case, and the goals. Okay, identify what type of immersive experience you needed. So are you looking on the gaming or entertainment? Are you looking on the training or education? Because okay, what actually you want to develop? Are you going to look on the retail or e-commerce? Okay. Are you going to look on the healthcare or okay? Are you going to looking on the metaverse or digital twins? Okay, twins. So can you see that? So that's why you must identify. You just can't say that, okay, I want to create a virtual environment using a AR or VR or metaverse or mixed reality, all these things. But okay, that is good. But we have to narrow down what we want to do it. Okay, so can you see that, okay, if you want to do a gaming or entertainment, so you can go to the AI for NPIC and you look on the adaptive storytelling. Because when we develop a gaming, normally game, they have a storyline. Okay, how this storyline work? Okay, for example, shooting game or fighting game. You have the storyline. So we have to look on, okay, what actually you want to. Okay, so training or education. So are you going to look on the VR or AR learning tools? Okay, so later I share one of my undergraduate project, students. We done okay design a system okay for the education, we use the AR. Okay, retail. Okay, so this thing. So I also have put it here. Example, if you're building a AI driven VR, okay, 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 hold on, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, like AR driven VR training module needs tools for what? 3D content generations, yeah. So like Unreal Engine or what? AI power storytelling, what the softwares. Okay, you can use it. Haptic feedback. Okay, so all this we need to consider. Okay, so not while we developing, we can't just pick anything we want and put it. So we have to list out. Okay, then select the right type of AI tools. Okay, so here, what actually you want to build? Okay, AI powered, okay, or virtual human, or is it 3D world? Okay, AI tool types. And then what's the purpose? So we already have AI tool types, and what's the purpose of each? Okay, we can look on it. Okay, so for example, AI driven 3D environment. So we want to have a 3D environments like the building, the content generation. So we can. So this is only some tools which I list out. Actually, we have many out there. So you can explore. But however, you must know what the purpose, what is the use case, what's the objective, yeah? Okay, what's the objective, what's the goals? You have to look on that. And then, of course, what's the purpose? And then you have to look, okay, what the AI tool type you want it. And then based on that, we can look on the tools, okay, which is suited. Okay, again, we can't just simply choose the tools, yeah? We have to look on the capabilities and the features. So many, how to say, advertisements coming in. Okay. So what's the capability? So like example in your design, yeah, you're saying you want to create it, gesture and emotional recognition. So basically, it's supposed for personalized experience. So these are the features we want to have it. So and then we have to look what type of tools, yeah, for that. And then also, yeah, the most important part, ensure compatibility and integrations. Sometimes the tools we choose, does it able to integrate it with each other or not? So this is very important. So this is all I'm talking about on the implementation, because all this is important so that we're able to create the immersive experience. Okay, so here I'm talking about AI tools. I'm not talking about the how to say the algorithms, yeah, the machine, all this, no. So I'm talking about the tools. Of course, okay, again, we also have to integrate the algorithm. So are they compatibility and integrated? And also, are they compatibility with your machine? Your machine, yeah, your laptop. And then we also need to check, are they compatibility with the user? Okay, or whatever devices you are using, are they compatible? So this is all we need to how to say, look on it. This is one part, yeah. Okay, of course, everyone talking about the programming, you know, all these things, that is another part. Okay, so this is another part, so it's quite huge. So this is all we need to consider. This one just now I say that performance, the scalability, and then of course the most important part is the cost. Okay, so like a real-time performance, is it can handle high quality for AI interactions? Scalability, can it expand to enterprise or larger applications? Is it cost effectiveness? So this is very important. So are you going to buy the freemium or enterprise plans? So again, so all these things we need. So this is all the important part we need to consider. Okay, that's why I say how to choose the AI tools for immersive experience. I don't have answer. Not say which one. I don't have the answer, but I can give you the guideline how to do it. Okay, so this is the 5 steps. Okay, I think I'm almost going to finish. Okay, so this is the example, okay, of, okay, how to say virtual environment, yeah. Okay, so maybe you all can see, okay, this is actually a drawing, yeah, okay, it's a drawing, okay. This project, we call it as a Mui Indie. Maybe you think, what is this? Mui Indie actually is Indonesian language, yeah, which translates to beautiful Indies. Okay, can you see that the environment there? Okay, the scenery, yeah, the scenery. Okay, this project I collaborate with one of Indonesia university, okay, Telkom University, yeah. So we developed this project, okay, and we already created and then we already exhibit this project, okay, last December, okay, in Indonesia also. And also we already produced one paper about, okay, this study is related to the virtual environment where okay, how to say, is related to the immersive experience where, okay, maybe when you can see the scene here, actually the scene here is similar as in Malaysia also, we have in Malaysia, I believe in India also have. So actually this is a village scene, okay, and this is actually is a paddy field, yeah, paddy field. Okay, so they are doing the harvesting. So what we want to create, okay, again, if you want to see this kind of scene or this kind of scenario, you need to go to village. Okay, and it's very hard to get this kind of environment nowadays, even in Malaysia. A lot of constructions, a lot of industries coming out. So we don't have like hills, trees, even the paddy field also we need to go to the certain state in Malaysia, then only we can see this environment. But for current generation, yeah, like for example, maybe my children or maybe my grandchildren, okay, they cannot feel this kind of environment. They cannot see. So what we do, we develop a virtual environment, okay, but using this this drawing. Okay, actually this is a real drawing. So we imitated. Okay. So here Mui Indi is a term used to depict the beauty of the nature in the East Indies during the period of Dutch colonialism in Indonesia. Okay, so this one we took it those days, yeah, during the Dutch, okay, colonialism. Okay, so because this environment is very hard to see nowadays. So this is how we develop. Okay, actually, we already developed, okay, and already exhibit, okay, in the night art performance, yeah. Okay, and this is the link Instagram, so we take some videos on how it works. Okay, and of course, this is all our, okay, how to say, the collaborators, yeah, the person in charge of doing the visual mapping, live painting, okay, all this and screening, everything. Okay, so actually I can, because I need to, actually it's under the Instagram. Okay, the Instagram can be shared. So this is where we, okay, exhibit our, okay, the, how to say, the virtual environment about the, okay, the paddy field environment, yeah. So, okay, let me go back and show this one. Okay, so this is how we develop it. Okay, so because, sorry guys, so because when I enlarge the screen here, okay, I can't show, it's not that clear. So that's why I just stick with the same size. So let me take, but this is only video, no audio, yeah. Okay, so can you see that the environment here? Okay, and of course in the English, sorry, in the Malay, okay, okay. So the way we want to feel the environment. So here we use the phone, okay, to see how the environment look like, and also we also have our Instagram. Okay, this is how we develop it, everything. Okay, so okay, what's the software we use it and how we do it. Okay. So this is the thing. Sure, I will share and then yeah, you can have a look. Okay. You can take your own time to have a look. And yeah. Oops, I want to go. Okay. So actually this is the exact thing. So this is where, okay, we share our project to the public. Okay, so this is one of project we developed. So it's basically about the nature. Okay, we developed that. And then, okay, I'm almost going to finish. No worries. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this one is actually belong to my undergraduate student. Okay. So actually, this paper is about the virtual reality and gamification in hospitality education at front desk. Okay. This is only a review, conceptual paper or review paper. You're able to get it, this paper from just a Google Scholar. Okay. So, we just like, okay, maybe I can share the paper here. Just give me a few seconds. I need to stop share. And then I want to share back. Don't know which one is which. papers I open it. Oh, not this one. Just hold on, yeah. I open too many things. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, let me share. So this one, okay. I hope that everyone can see my screen, yeah?
Yes,
So
ma'am, we
many,
can see.
yeah, okay,
No,
sorry,
ma'am.
so many, yeah, so many things I open. Okay, just that. Okay. So this paper you can able to download. Maybe you can make it as a reference. Okay, so okay, let me tell the background of the story of this. Okay, during the COVID, yeah, during the COVID, uh, hospitality students, yeah, who are taking the students, yeah, taking hospitality, yeah. Okay. They have problem. You know, the final year students, they have to do the internship. They really have a problem because during the COVID, all the hotels, yeah, closed down, shut down. So the students need to finish the internship so that they're able to grad. But they cannot get the internship placement, yeah, because the COVID hotels are totally 200% is affected. So how to overcome this? Okay, so who okay, whoever enroll this program, whether okay their diploma or degree, they really have problem, they cannot complete it. So on that time, so we come out with the idea, okay, why not we create a simulations, okay, example in a virtual environment, okay, so that they're able to attend the internship. So of course, we didn't create the whole set, we just created for the front desk only. Okay, for the front desk. Okay, that means we create the virtual environment where okay, this virtual environment, so how to say, the students can use this virtual environment, okay, to replace their internship, not the whole thing, only a part of that we created. So they need to attend a customer, the front desk, yeah, they have to attend the customer, and while the customer asking questions, so the student need to answer. So the customer is actually the avatar, the virtual. Okay, we designed that. Okay, so this is actually the how to say the conceptual paper, what the things we need to. Okay, so of course we use a virtual reality, but again we put it a bit of a gamifications element because this is for the training or educational purpose. So we want to know whether the students are okay able to go through these how to say the internship. Okay, that means they able to answer all the questions okay by the customer. So we want to make it a bit how to say how to say a bit how to say entertainment, yeah, a bit. Okay, make it so that's why we put it a gamification element. So normally they didn't do the gamification elements in these educational things, yeah, so we added that. So you all can look on the how to say this conceptual paper is available in the Google Scholar, yeah. So this is how we come out the VR development, and we come out, okay, what's the steps, what the methodology. Okay, we propose it a methodology then. Okay, so this is how it works, yeah. Okay, so we put it all the things, and yeah. So maybe some of you maybe can use as a guideline for that. Okay, so this is one. Okay, another one. Okay, let me stop sharing. I want to share another one. So, okay. Okay, this another article. Actually, is the continuous. Actually, we are planning to make it as a VR, and then at the end of the day, we make it augmented. Yeah, sometimes we can change, is it? So let me see. And then at the end of the day, it's become, change it to augmented. Okay. I hope that you all can see the second one, yeah? Front desk simulation.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Can I? Yeah. Okay, however, okay, guys. Not this one. I'm showing the wrong one already. Oh, okay, can you all see this one? The front desk simulation? Okay. Can you all see this? Because
Yes,
just
ma'am.
now.
Yes,
Can I?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, however, guys, I can't share this article. Okay, so we just send it to the journal. Okay. So it's under review. Okay, so we send it to Q1 journal, if I'm not mistaken, but I cannot recall the journal name. I cannot recall. I don't know where I put it. Okay. It's so we sent to the High Technology and Innovations Journal. Okay, so today also when I access it, it's still under the review. So this one is the implementation already. So we design it. Okay. So we purchase a high-end laptop, and then the simulation we are using the tab. Okay, so we purchase tab and this, but the software we use the free software which I share with y'all. Okay, the last one, yeah. So this is how we create it. So we use the same methodology there. Okay, so we develop it. Okay, yeah, and then we test it. Everything okay. Okay, so this is the design we come up. This is a rich picture, how it works. Huh? So actually, I already copy the design, yeah, this picture, the diagram. Okay, so how the system works. Okay, just that. Sorry, guys, I can't share this article yet. Okay, so so these are all the systems we use it. Okay, we use this the algorithm we write it. Okay, so we use software such as techniques. Yeah, we use a speech to text and text to speech software. Yeah, because the how to say when the avatar talk. Okay, the student have to reply and then need to convert. So and then also we using a chatbot technology also. Okay, so this is the diagram. So this is the algorithm. Okay, we use a dialog flow. Okay, this is all the free one. Okay, and then so we use the design AR4 all this thing. Okay, and then we design the leaderboard. Actually, this is our avatar lah. Okay, this is actually the avatar. So actually, it's our customer. Okay, and then yes, fast, and then this is the leaderboard. Okay. A lot of things, chat history, okay, and then we test it, the system, yes. Test it based on the functional testing and the usability testing, and then we really test it with the internship students, hospitality internship students, yeah, and then it's working. Okay, so user acceptance all we tested already. So this is another example, okay, where how to say we use the virtual environment to develop it. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. So this is so I just share with you all. Okay, can you all see my slide now? Because I already moved it. Can see my slide, yeah?
Ma'am,
Anyone, please? Can I?
that paper only is showing, ma'am, still.
Oh, okay. Okay, so no worries. I'm just going to help. Going to. This is, I think, the last one. That's my slide.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam.
Just hold on. I'm trying to share back the slide. I don't know where I put my slide already. So hold on. It's like stuck already. Okay, then. Sorry. Okay, so I will share this. So I will share the abstract with y'all. Okay. So in the abstract, okay, I will share how, okay, what the tools we use it, okay, to develop it. So here actually is stated there because I couldn't share the whole paper. And also I will share the design, the whole thing. Okay. Now we come to the end. I think I really occupied 1.5 hours here. Okay, so that's all, guys. So, okay, so as conclusion, okay, so what I'm trying to say here, choosing AI tools for immersive experience requires, okay, this 4 things. Understanding your goals, what actually you want to do it. Selecting the right AI categories, okay, and then you have to ensure what the compatibility, okay, and also costing is coming there, okay, cost, performance, and scalability. So this is a very important. I know that everyone, you all good in using the tools, yeah, whatever tools, AI tools there, okay, for the immersive experience. But the main thing, you have to know this, okay, these 4 things. Okay, without this, I'm just worried that you will stop. Okay, so this is the thing. So why I'm sharing this, so I really have an experience when my students come, they want to do project. They're really coming up with a very nice titles, projects, all. But at the end of the day, during the implementation, they really stuck. Okay, they really have stuck. So, okay, I have many, how to say, virtual environments, projects. The idea, they are very good. They're very good in the ideas, but the implementation, okay, they start. So at the end of the day, they have to drop. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm trying, okay, share this with, okay, this is what I come across. So it doesn't matter, you're undergraduate or postgraduate or okay, or you are a researcher, you have to do this, yeah. So again, next generation AI tools are revisualization, immersive experience by making them more interactive, responsive, and lifelike. Okay, so I think that's all because we already come to the end, conclusion. And of course, any questions? And yes, guys, before we end the section, I know that everyone are like, okay, waiting, okay, when the section is going to end. Okay, just a bit of information. Okay, just now I say that, okay, I share with you all that we can do the joint collaborations. So I can come with the joint collaboration on the publication or the research all. So okay, so I can come with the publication grant. Okay, if you have want to do publication, but the problem is, okay, you don't have enough finance. Okay, of course you can contact me. Of course we can discuss about that. So basically, the publication can go to the Scopus Index journals or ISI journal or WOS, but mainly my university supporting for the Scopus Index. but no issue if you want to publish in the WOS or ISI. So we can look for journals which all these three criteria is in that particular journal. Okay, so you can contact me through my email. Okay, this is my official email, and also my WhatsApp number is my contact number. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful session. So now I request the participants, if you have any questions, you can raise now.
Can I stop the sharing?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay.
Madam, your session was very informative and understandable. But is it audible, madam, my voice?
It's very, how to say, very soft.
Very low volume. Okay, let me ask you once again. Is it audible now?
Yeah,
Is it
let's go
audible
ahead.
now?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Once again, good evening to yours. And the the presentation which we are understand is informative and uh, uh, very understandable, madam. Regarding that, I have to ask one small clarifications. The AI tools which are at present may going to be most useful for cyber security, madam. Have you concentrated?
Okay. Okay, actually, it's a good question, but however, I'm sorry, sir. I don't have the answer for that. So my humble apologize. But however, I'll try to get it for you. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay, madam. Thank you.
Okay.
And if you extend a little bit time, I want to ask another small question. Though you are concentrated such a AI tool for as we maybe understand generative AI tool which can concentrate on nature towards to prepare an art and as well as storytelling. So for that, the most useful tools are, can you repeat, madam, once again, please?
Okay. Actually, it's in my slide. I need to go back and share it. Okay. Okay, because sorry, sir, what's your name? I didn't,
Madam, my name Polaya Boja. I'm working as a the professor, and also I'm concentrated this AI and machine learning and deep learning for
okay.
various applications. Actually, I'm right now at Hyderabad.
Okay.
But
So,
in future, we need your kind blessings and to extend some more research works, madam. If possible,
sure.
will
Yeah, we
be
can collaborate. Yeah.
collaboration with you, madam. Thank
So,
you.
okay, so this is some of the tools for the storytelling, but I always recommend go to GPT-4 because they can because GPT is a how to say a free, and then we can use all the plugin. Okay, and also I've shared this. Okay, you all can try that how to use it. A simple how to say hands-on lah. Okay, how to we can use it, chat GPT or GPT. Okay, how we can integrate, okay, the tools which I have it. I share it with y'all. Just a simple, and also we have to write the code. So even the code also, I share it already in this link. Okay, yeah. So I think maybe later on, I think I will share the slides uh with the Dr. Sunita. Okay, because I already shared with her, but I updated a little bit. So I'll share it with her so that okay she can share with y'all. So okay, for me, there's no issue. Okay, actually, it's a very just now. Okay, Okay, the doctor asking about the cyber security, yeah, because I didn't expand into the security, because as I say that my research is how to say is very diverse, a lot. So when the students come in, they coming bringing the project, or my PhD students coming, okay, bringing the project, then only I start to explore with them together. Okay, so this thing, but actually today I'm thinking about the part of the security, but I didn't add it in the slide. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, any other questions? Because I don't want to keep you all very long here. I know that everyone is tired already.
Participants, if you have any more questions, please raise.
Okay,
I hope so. There are no further questions. It was a nice session, ma'am. So many feedbacks also we have received. And thank you, ma'am, once again. And now I request the participants, can you please turn on your camera so that we can take a group picture?
Sure, I will share because they put it all the,
Yes, ma'am, you can stop
slides.
sharing. Yes, ma'am.
I already stopped. So, but the slide, sure, I will share with the Dr. Sunita later on.
Sure, ma'am, sure. I request every one of you, please turn on your camera. Okay, thank you so much. Now we are concluding the session. As we conclude this enriching session, I am honored to extend our sincere gratitude to our distinguished speaker, Dr. Rajarmani Tinagaran ma'am. Your insightful session on immersive experiences and AI tools for immersive experiences has been truly enlightening. Your expertise in this rapidly evolving field has provided us with a deeper understanding of how artificial intelligence is ruling the immersive technology and transforming the way we interact with the digital environments. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the participants for their enthusiastic engagement and keen interest throughout the entire session. Let us take forward these learnings and apply them to our academic and professional endeavors. Looking ahead to day 3, we dive into generative AI and Google Vertex with two distinguished speakers. Dr. R.C. Sarita, scientist F grade at CDAC Bengaluru. Her title is Generative AI and Google Vertex. The next speaker, Dr. Satya Narayana Nanduri, Director R&D, Geetham University. The topic is Using Google Vertex AI Integration in Immersive Environments. Join us tomorrow from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. for another thought-provoking sessions. Once again, thank you all and see you all there tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night,
Thank you,
all.
ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Nodal.